Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be using this workout and healthy fitness kit this week, and I'm super excited about it because it's a really personal kit for me. I have, for the past, I don't know, I want to say 20 years, struggled with my body and being healthy and all that stuff, and last October it was maybe, when I had just recently read Rachel Hollis's Girl Wash Your Face, and then I just went down the rabbit hole of everything Rachel Hollis, and she had this last 90 days challenge where you kind of try and change everything, instead of waiting till the new year to start your resolutions, you pretty much started October 1st. Yeah, October, right? October, November, December. Yeah, that's 90 days. And so I did that last year. It sounds so long ago, last year. It was 3 months ago. But wait, pause on that. I am using the Simply Gilded washi that Scribble Prints Co. had in her, I want to say, sorbet kit that I just got in the mail a couple days ago. And oh my god, look at those colors. It's so pretty. It is so freaking pretty. I know, I can't believe I used it. And then I'm using the Sweet Kawaii Design workout washi, which hello, perfect for this kit. And I actually bought the bundle at Michael's. It also comes with some really cute little fruits and vegetables, and then some hearts that I think I stopped filming before I put them down, but I put them right on top of the date covers. So anyway, where was I? Sorry, I was talking about something. The last 90 days challenge. So I changed everything. I wanted to work out every day, and I worked out every day for at least the first 2 months. Then December rolled around, and it got a little tougher after Black Friday. And then I started eating healthier. I started eating salads. Salads. I don't eat salads, and I love them now. And granted, these are big ass salads that I add a bunch of stuff to. I love adding banana peppers and roasted red peppers and olives and all kinds of stuff. And what else did I do? So she also talks about drinking half of your body weight in water. So I started drinking just so much water, where when I think about how much water I've drank for the past 20 years, sometimes I could seriously go a whole day with maybe drinking half a cup of water. That is so bad. So those are 3 things that I changed, and in the past, I don't know, 3 months, 3.5 months, I've since lost 20 pounds, which I am at a point in my life that I've never been before. I'm sure I was at some point because, I have to go up. But I just went to Target and tried on size 12 pants that I've never worn size 12 pants before, and they were big on me. I was like, what? I didn't even want to buy them. I just wanted to see what size I would be. And so that was just really exciting. And so that's why this kit is so personal for me, because it's just something that I'm really passionate about and I want to keep going. So, okay, anyway, let's dig into this actual plan with me. I am doing something a little bit differently. So I started planning my sidebar because that's what I always do. And then I decided to go straight into the things that I know I have going on. So unfortunately, my husband just yesterday started feeling sick. And last time we postponed our Disney trip was because I got sick. But I'm hoping that by Friday he's great and we can still go to Disney on Saturday, because it's the start of the Epcot Festival of the Arts, and it's one of my favorite ones. I love walking around and seeing the art and getting inspired, and it always makes me want to paint and draw more. So y'all will probably benefit from that, because I will come back and want to draw and paint everything. And one of my favorite artists, oh my god, I can't believe I'm spacing on her name. It's Ashley Taylor, I want to say. And anyway, she is just the most amazing Disney artist, and she just posts the most motivational not stickers, but stories on Instagram. And I just love her art to pieces, and she's gonna be there. So I really want to go over and get a print And if I'm not too chicken, introduce myself. And oops, should have muted that, but I did not. But I am now. And so yeah, so that is my plan for Saturday. And then one of my goals this year is to go to church more often, to try and make it a weekly thing, and then be a little more active in it as well. So you'll see on Wednesday, I will put down a sticker to do Worship Wednesday, which I've never been to before, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I really want to get more into that and welcome that a little bit more into my life. And so those are the, 1, 2, 3 things that I have going on for sure. And then I just dug into the rest of my plans, which are always the same. It's work on orders, or I also, right now, the 14th, 15th, and they're probably going to go on the 16th. I'm going to be working on subscription kits. So all the stickers are now cut, all the die cuts are cut, almost everything is cut. It's just assembling the die cut pack. That always takes me a while. I usually try and get my husband to do that because it's so tedious, and I don't like doing it, but he's really good at like jobs that don't, I don't know, require any like design thing or moving things around. Like if it's just easy and like putting things together, he's the best at it. And I love spending more time just designing and being more creative. So, but unfortunately he's sick, so I have to do it. And then I'm gonna clean the bathrooms because I only cleaned like, for some reason, half of the bathrooms last week. And I think I was hoping my husband would do the toilets because I really hate doing the toilets. And he didn't. And now he's sick, so I can't ask him to do it. So I'm going to have to do it. And then The Bachelor is on tonight, which I probably won't watch until tomorrow because I love watching it on Hulu on my computer while I work. And then I'm sending the second newsletter out, and that is something that I'm really excited about because, I don't know, I want to show more like behind the scenes and do some more exclusive things to that. So if you haven't signed up, make sure you go to our website and sign up, and I will be sending sometimes like exclusive coupons or freebies that you can print out and all kinds of stuff. And something different this week about this plan, not just the plan with me, but just my planner spread, is I'm only using the full boxes, and there is a ton of white space. Like, so much white space. Like, I wrote more on the actual page than I did on stickers. And I don't know, I just wanted to try something new, and I keep seeing my friend Ashley from Hello Ashley Ann, or is it Ashley? Oh my god. Okay, I will link her down below. I don't know if she's doing Plan With Me videos, but her Instagram feed and her planner pictures are so just neat and clean, and she has the most just, I don't know, I swear her handwriting could be a font. So I kind of took a little bit of inspiration from that, and I wanted to do a very white space and just clean and small writing kind of spread this week. So we'll see if I end up liking it, or if you guys like it. I would love to know. But it was hard. Like, I realized I don't have very many half box or quarter box stickers, and which means I should probably make some. In fact, I need to make more functional stickers because I was missing like meal stickers or the little workout littles and things like that I always rely on with a kit, which I guess I could have used like an old kit, or I could have really just print and cut one of the pages for this kit, but I just really did not want to use any other sticker other than the full boxes just to try this out. So I used quarter boxes from Nicole Hutch Designs, and then these little bow hippo ones from Spot Drop, which are so freaking cute. And I left some dots open from the Erin Condren planner, which is just my biggest no-no. Every time I plan, I just want to hide them. I want to cover them. I wish it was a solid line. I wish they weren't there. I don't know. I just really dislike them. But I ended up just trying to make it work. And I don't think it looks bad. I might try to either design or I'll purchase some, but some sort of header sticker that doesn't have words and that is aside from the kit. Like I know there's glitter washi, which would look really pretty. I actually just saw um, Viv's from Viv Loves to Plan With Me video, and she covered up all of those with glitter washi, which looks really, really pretty. I can do some, I don't know, like you can do solid washi or just different patterns I think would look nice too. So I am putting that on my list to try and come up with a solution for that. And then I just here placed the rest of my full boxes down so that I could see where I wanted them to go. Like if I'm gonna stagger them, then they all have to be staggered. Obviously not the double box, but otherwise, like they have to all line up perfectly. And this one was more like a stagger spread. And yeah, there is a ton of white space in this spread. Like I think on Friday I only put one more thing, but I also don't want to plan if I don't really have any plans. I'm waiting to hear back from one of my friends on Friday to see if we're gonna meet to have an acai bowl. Literally my favorite thing in the entire world. And then Thursday, I'm so excited because I'm planning a girls trip with one of my best friends to Savannah, which I've never been. I wanted to go with my husband, but we're gonna end up going to Nashville later this year. And so yeah, we're gonna do a girls trip over there, and I'm so excited. So I'm just starting to plan everything. And here I'm just trying to fill up some white space because it was a lot of it. And so I put some of our what are they? The Wacky Holiday monthly stickers, and I freaked out at first because I was like, oh my god, January 19th, President's Day, it's my dad's birthday. My dad's birthday is February, and I just had the wrong month in my hands. So it's January, thank goodness. And those are all the ones that I had for this week that fell on this week. And what else did I do? Oh, I did some me time because Friday has been the night that that was my husband. He really wanted to put Bean's Paw in there. Like he was trying. It was ridiculous. He was like holding her, inching her forward. I'm like, get out of here! But nope, there's a little Bean Paw. But yeah, Friday has been my night that either Jake will go drive Uber or he'll go out with his friends, and I usually just read a book or watch a movie. And my bathtub has been my favorite thing in the entire world, so I do bubble baths or a bath bomb, and it is perfect. I'm still a little like sick, so that's why my voice just cuts in and out a little bit, and I feel like maybe I sound a little nasally, so sorry about that. But okay, so yeah, this is pretty much the end of it. I planned my meals out, which I desperately need to do more often so that I don't throw away vegetables or let things go bad or I don't know, go out and eat. So this is the last thing that I think I did, and I really like how this turned out. It was very different, but I don't know, it's cute. It's colorful, but it's got plenty of white space, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Here I'm like, do I fit anything else? But nope. So anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!